Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to create your very own avatar from scratch. Creating your talking avatar might sound complicated, but it's quite simple with today's technology. So why is this important? Imagine having your own digital spokesperson, or enhancing your online anonymity with a bit of personal flair. Curious yet? Let's get started.
The first step is to design our avatar, and for this you're going to use Canva. So head over to canva.com and you're going to click on create a design, and you're going to search for YouTube video. So click on YouTube video and it's going to open a new page for you. So once you have a clean page like this one, you're going to head over to apps. So click on apps and you're going to search for Magic Media. So Magic Media is the AI tool that you're going to use to generate our images. You're going to select the first option that is going to appear on Canva. For us to generate our images, we need to give it a description. Enter your description right inside the description box. Ensure that you get as descriptive as you can. I have pasted here a description that I got from ChatGPT, so you can go ahead to ChatGPT and just ask it to give you a description or to give you a prompt that you're going to use for a description that you're going to use to create an avatar. So once you have your description there, you're going to click on generate image. So I do not like any of these images, so I'm going to go back and I will give it another description again. Something else that you're going to notice is that Magic Media has a cap on the number of words that you can be able to put into the description box. So just be very careful on the kind of words that you're going to input there. So just ensure that you craft your wording really well. Now that I have my description right inside this description box, I'm going to click on generate image again. So let's get to see what it's going to give us. So I think I have better images here, so let me delete these ones and let me pick on these ones specifically. So I think it looks good. I'm going to go with this one. Now you realize that the aspect ratio of this image is quite small. It's probably just 1:1. So we need to expand it so that it fits this YouTube window. So to do that, you're going to click on this image and you're going to click on edit photo. And you're going to click on Magic Expand. So click on this Magic Expand and you're going to come over here and you're going to select 16:9. So once you have done that, you're going to click on Magic Expand. So let the Magic Expander do its magic. So let's give it time. So something that you will notice is that there are quite a number of errors when it comes to Magic Expander. At times it creates funny images, but I think I like these ones, so they look really good. Let me preview this other one as well. I'm going to go with this image right here. So our image is ready, so I'm going to use this exact one here and drag it and just ensure that it fits the entire window. We now have our avatar. Now to give our avatar a voice, you need to have a script, and to do that you're going to use ChatGPT. However, you can go ahead and just draft your own script, but for our case you're going to use ChatGPT. So I'm going to go over to ChatGPT and I'm going to type this prompt. Create for me a short script for a YouTube video on creating avatars. The script will be used in the introduction of the YouTube video, and I'm going to hit enter and let's get to see what ChatGPT is going to give us. So I'm going to copy that script and I'm going to head over to 11 Labs. So the tool that you're going to use to generate the voice is 11 Labs. So head over to 11 Labs. And once you're on 11 Labs, you're going to click on this icon here, and the first thing that you'd want to do is to generate or select a voice that you're going to use with your avatar. Once you're there, you're going to click on voice library, and you'd want to choose a voice for your avatar. So get to listen to the different voices that 11 Labs has given us. So let's listen in before we select one.
There's power in looking silly and not caring that you do.
I'm going to go with Claire. I'm going to add this to my voice lab. So I'm going to click on this plus icon here, and I'm going to, let me just name it Claire, and I'm going to click on add voice. And the voice has been added, so I'm going to click on finish. And the next thing that you'd want to do is to come over here again to this icon, and you're going to click on speech, and it's going to take us to this speech synthesis window, and you need to select the voice that you'd want to use. So you're going to pick on Claire, the one that you had just added. So let's pick on Claire. And the next thing that you need to do is to go over back to ChatGPT, and you need to copy the script that ChatGPT gave you. So let's copy that script and let's paste it right inside 11 Labs. And you're going to click on generate speech.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to create your very own avatar from scratch. Whether you want to use it for your social media profiles,
you will then click on this download icon. So I'm going to download this speech that we have just generated, and our voice is now ready. The last and final step is to bring our avatar to life, and to do that you're going to use Canva. So head over to canva.com, and you're going to click on create a design, and you're going to search for YouTube video. So we are creating a YouTube video. Once you have a clean page like this one, you will come over to apps. So click on apps, and you're going to search for D-ID AI presenters. So D-ID AI presenters, and you're going to select this very first option here. So I'm going to click on that. So when this AI app opens, it's going to prompt you to sign up. So I have already signed up myself, so just sign in if you already have an account with D-ID. If you do not, you can sign up, and once you have signed up, you're going to get an option of uploading an image that you have just created, either through Canva or any other platform. So I'm going to click on upload, and I'm going to upload an image that I'm going to use for my avatar. So our avatar has now been uploaded, and what you now want to do is to upload your audio. So I'm going to click on upload audio, and we are going to upload the audio that we got from 11 Labs. So I'm going to upload that. Once you're done with that, you're going to click on generate presenter.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to create your very own avatar from scratch.
So awesome. So the next thing that I would want to do is to adjust this image right here so that it fits this entire window. So I'm going to drag it, and I'm going to pull it so that it fits this entire window, and I think it looks really good. Now for D-ID, you'll realize that if you have the free version, it's going to have this watermark, the D-ID watermark. If you'd want to use it for commercial purposes, you will be encouraged to get the paid version so that you do not have these watermarks. So let's get to preview our video again.
Creating your talking avatar might sound complicated, but it's quite simple with today's technology. So why is this important?
So now we have our video ready. All we need to do is download it, and you're going to click on share, and you're going to click on download, and you'd want to download it as an MP4. So just download it as an MP4. So click on download.
There you have it, your very own AI-driven talking avatar. That wraps up our guide on creating a talking avatar using AI. Pretty simple, right? If you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new, remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more cool content. Do you have questions or need further clarification? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy creating.